Hello again, quick look in the middle of the garden at the homemade cold frames, just made out of pallets and a bit of clear perspex. Again, definitely not heated, but they do heat up during the day when the sun's out, and everything seems to be doing pretty good in there, so let's open up and see. So mainly in here we've got Trephicarpus, Brugmansia in the corner there. These are all Trephicarpus fortunei, or possibly a bit of Wagnerianus in there, just for the fact that the leaves seem pretty stiff and they're quite short, so we'll see as they grow on. But yeah, we've got probably about 20 in there in pots, and then we've got a little test filibuster, see that to do with the cold. Seems to be okay, not looking brilliant, but it's definitely not dying either. And we've got the Filifera at the back here, which I grew from seed. This is second winter, it's probably about 14 to 16 months old, so that's not doing too bad. All doing alright that side, so let's have a look at the other side. So these are two separate cold frames, just back to back in the middle of the garden to get maximum sunlight. So in this one we've got a couple of bigger Trephicarpus fortunei in pots there. Small one at the back here. Recovering, it looked a bit rough, that one, but it's pushed out a new spear, so starting to open. We've got a Phoenix date palm here, edible date, Phoenix dactylifera. Grew from seed 3 years ago. Not looking too bad. We've got a couple more this side actually. Looking good. And we've got a few of the cordline seedlings from last year. Just a quick pan over. We've got two big cord lines there, probably pushing 16 to 18 foot. They seed prolifically each winter. And last year I cut one of them seed pods or seed bracts off and chucked a load into some flat trays, and we've got hundreds of seedlings now. Going off topic a bit, but we've got some volunteers down here. There's one here, a small one here, and another bigger one there. See, just dropped straight off and done its thing. So yeah, naturalised. Lovely looking sort of tropical field trees. The only downside is you tend to get a lot of the old leaves fall off, but it has been quite windy. So anyway, back to the cold frames. So yeah, these are last year's seeds from the cord lines. It's funny how some are green and some come out brown, but they all do green up eventually. And in the middle here, in these pots, these are actually Phoenix canariensis. I got two in a pot and separated them. They really didn't like the root disturbance, I don't think. The old fronds sort of died off. But new green pushing out. Same with this one, old fronds died off, but nice new green pushing out. So there's a couple of small fig trees in the back here. Got new buds on them, so they'll start to grow when spring kick in. In fact, there's a couple of pomegranates in here as well I grew from seed a couple of years back. They totally defoliate over winter, but then they bud up again, and in fact there's one there with some, you see that bit of a green bud on it, so yeah, they're not dead, they'll come back again. Right, so I think that's that for the cold frames. Thanks for watching.